Hi everyone, Nella here from Loop Law Crochet Studio. If you've been looking for clear, simple crochet lessons, you have just found your new channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a magic loop, or otherwise known as a magic ring. It's beginner friendly, and by the end, you'll be able to make it yourself. I promise it will be very simple. Let's get started. If you already know how to make a slip knot, then you can do this. It's the same start with just one extra step. With a slip knot, you make a loop and pull through the yarn once, and it locks right away. For the magic ring, you start the same way, but instead of letting it lock, you chain once. To hold the loop open. That's it. Just one extra step. Now you can crochet your stitches right into the open loop. And when you are finished the round, pull the tail end of the yarn to close the loop. So here's the difference. A slip knot and make a chain. That's it. If this helps you, subscribe for more simple step-by-step tutorials. This is the place to start your crochet journey.